A very good morning to all of you. This is my sixth video and its topic is tenacity and titiksha are similar but not congruent. Any opposing things such as pleasure sorrow, heat cold, respect humiliation, seeing them in an equal way without trying to change it, without wishing to change it, is called titiksha. That is, the name of enduring patiently is titiksha. Tenacity and titiksha are the essential virtues of every person's life. Without this, there is no success in life, and life also cannot become meaningful. Titiksha means the ability to endure hardship and suffering inside a person with patience and happiness. The tenacity and the titiksha appears to be similar in appearance, but there is a slight difference, that is, they are not congruent. The tenacity is done with determination and titiksha patiently. The tenacity process is for a fixed period of time. We set tenacity discipline and we fulfill them with determination. In this way, tenacity is our resolve. It is our right to decide its duration. In tenacity, we know that after a few days we can return to our natural life. Whereas, in contrast, titiksha is not our resolve. Even if titiksha is determined, it does not have any duration. And more than tenacity, we need perseverance in titiksha. Do not know how long to bear, but it has to be tolerated with pleasure. There can be happiness in life. Sometimes there may be sadness. Sometimes there may be honor. Sometimes there may be humiliation. We do not know what time and our action are bringing for us. It is often seen that we are stimulated by our circumstances. We are distracted, nervous, angry. We are determined to take revenge and do it. Refuse to sit and take the resolution of hostility. Overall, the circumstances that occur in our lives create disorders in us. They take away our thoughts, our patience, our peace, our appreciation. But through titiksha, we can learn to live patiently with the circumstances of our life. Our body is made up of Panch Mahabhutas and their Panch Mantras represents our senses. Panch Mahabhutas are Chiti, Jal, Pavak, Gagan, Samir, and their bodies are juice, smell, form, touch, and word. Earth's body is smelling, water body is juice, form of fire, the touch of air, and the word of the sky. These are the qualities of our senses and the sensation we get in these forms. And this is also the reason for our physical and mental happiness. Today, a person is losing the quality of titiksha in life. That is why, if the wife in the family says something to the husband, or if the husband tells the wife something, if the parents tells the child something, then talk of committing suicide in a short time is very common these days. It is often reported in newspaper that how many children committed suicide with result in school or board examination. Why so? Because people are not able to bear mental retardation. That is why Mental titiksha is also a requirement of normal life. Even if there is no tenacity in life, if only titiksha is there, it is a surefire way to drive away the sick. One who knows how to endure is never a psychopath. He is not stressed. He does not have visad. He does not get hysterical because he tolerates it. Many times you will see that the events go away, but their feelings, and especially the painful feeling, remain, and we are stuck there. Bad days come in everyone's life, and if asked right, bad days remains in our life in some form or the other. Even if good days come, we are unable to feel them because they are like fragrance. So it fly away in 2 minutes. Go away and still then we get stuck right there with our bad feelings. Bad days takes away our confidence because our patience is reduced when our courage is bowed. But those who make the titiksha a part of their life outlook, they will reach their destination one day after recovering from all kinds of circumstances. The importance of titiksha is more than tenacity. Thank you.